So the next area that I'm going to show you in the degree audit is where you would go if, per se, you wanted to change your major. So when you first come in, it'll always default to your declared major that you've given us in the system. So for instance, this person has a communication degree. Now, if you wanted to go in and see where would my transfer work apply, or how would the courses that I'm taking this semester look differently if I was changing my major, you'd come, you'd click on the What If program. Then you would need to select the college in which that major is held. So let's say, for instance, you were coming in to find out more about nursing. You would click on NUR, then you would select the degree. It's going to have the drop down, the program that you're hoping to pursue, so a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And then catalog year is something that's always important, and you always want to use the year in which you're starting at the university. So that would be 2018. Now it's saved that, and we would hit Run Different Program. So we click on it if we're looking to change, and then it takes a couple minutes for the computer to go in and check to see how would these classes apply, and then it'll pull up a new audit. The audit's going to look different depending on what major you're in. So as you can see, for the nursing audit, there's less boxes that you might be able to click on. So here you come in, you click on member, red X means something isn't complete, you click on the box. So the only class that we've completed in the general education is that English 1 and then English 2. Again, green means complete, also showing our grade that we have completed. So you could find what courses were needed if you were to change that major. And then you just continue to scroll down and scroll through to see what classes. So if it's an elective without a specific class assigned, like developmental psychology, here's a list of all the electives in which you could take to fulfill that requirement. So the functionality is the same. Again, this is just how we would go and see about running a what if. So the feature that you would use if you were going to be looking at running an audit other than the one that's in your major.